morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let us come back to our English class. Before we start the class, let me ask some questions to you. Have you seen the pet animal like cat climbing on the trees? Suppose, for example, in your house you are having the cat which climbed on the tree, and once it climbed, because it is a high tree, it is a tall tree, it does not know how to come down. So what you will do in that case? What you will do? What we do? The climber, the person who knows to climb on the tree, they may climb and bring it down the cat. If does not know, they may take the help of the ladder, and through the ladder they climb and they may bring it down. Even that also, if it is not possible, we may call somebody, those who know to climb the tree nearby or in from our house, somebody else, and we try to bring the cat down. Yes or no? That is the way we try to save the cat. Once it climbed, it does not know how to come down. Here, today we are going to learn about the cat, the dad and the tree. The cat has climbed on the tree, it got stuck up there, and the other dad, he does not know, he wants to save the cat. So let us see what are the steps he is taking in order to save this cat. On poem page number 107, please take the book and open it. This morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. The tree was woody, the tree was tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. Fall? Scoffed Dad, a climber like me. Child's play this is, you wait and see. He caught out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped, he landed in the flower bed. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. We'll try blank P, stand out of the way. Mom said, don't fall again, okay? Fall again, said Dad, funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch, it broke. Dad landed wallowed back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. Rubbish, said Dad, now we will try plan C. Easy as winging to a climber like me. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk, right on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. So it is smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old Dad's still stuck up the tree. So it is written by Kit Wright. It is written by the author Kit Wright. So let us come back to the poem, page number 107. This morning a cat got stuck up in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. Today morning what happened? The cat from my home, it stuck up into it climbed on the tree and it got stuck up. Stuck means dragged. It wants it to climb, it does not know come down. Stuck means dragged. It climbed, but now it does not know come down. And my dad said, right, just leave it to me. You leave it to me, I will see to it. Means I will plan out how to bring out the cat down. The tree was whooping, the tree was tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. The tree was whooping means it is not a steady, it is always shaking, unsteady. You know, if the thin tree means it will not be steady. If it is a tree is very thick, the branches are thick, it will not be that shake that much. So here the tree is very thin and it is wobbly. It is means it is not unsteady shaking. When the breeze comes, it will be completely the entire whole tree will be moving this and that side. Wobbly. The tree was tall. Not only that, it is not only unsteady, even it is so height. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. So my mother told my daddy, I request you for goodness sake. Means we say sometimes when the children do something, parents will keep on tell us. Then when they don't listen what they will do, for God's sake I tell you, please stop, they say. Yes or no? So here also she is saying, for goodness sake, she is telling don't fall. Why she is telling that word don't fall? She may be knowing that her husband is not at a good at climbing the tree. That is the reason she told, for goodness sake don't fall. Wobbly, unsteady. Fall, scoffed Dad, a climber like me. Child's play, this is, you wait and see. Immediately, this man proceeded to wife, fall, I am going to fall. What are you telling? He scoffed Dad. Scoffed means mockingly. When somebody says something to us, we tease them and laugh at them. So he was laughing. Scoffed means laughed mockingly. He was laughing as if a teasing wife and he was laughing. A climber like me, what you are telling about me? I am a good climber and you are telling me that you don't fall. Child's play, this is, you wait and see. The way you said it is like a funny for me, it is a child's play means very easy job. How the children they climb the tree very fast, same way for me also it is a very easy job. You wait and see what I am going to do. Scoped. Laughed mockingly. Child's play means very easy. Very easy job. So what he is telling, it is a very easy job for me to climb and bring down the cat. You wait and see. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. He slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So what he did after challenging his wife, he went to the garden from the shed. We learned already the poem about the shed. We keep our things, the garden tools or under whatever the things we supposed to keep in the shed, we keep them. So he went to the shed. From there he brought out the ladder and he climbed, and what happened to him? It slipped. He landed in the flower. It slipped means it got slipped down, slipped. So it got to slip off, and what happened to him? He landed in the flower bed. Landed means he came down from the ladder was fallen down. He also came and fallen into the garden where the flowers were present in the garden. Between the flower garden he came and fell down. Ladder means it is a staircase. Shed means it is a storehouse where we store and keep the things. And landed means fell down. He came down. He fell between the flower garden. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. Now what he did, after falling down, he caught up and hold his trouser and his shirt hair, everything as all the leaves, some of the dirt was, everything was removing, brushing means shaking up. Suppose something fall, we with the hand will be doing like that, will remove. So the same way he was shaking up all the dirt body in his body, on his face and hair and his shirt and the pant. He told like that, and we will try plan B. Stand out of the way. Mom said, don't fall again. Okay. Now, after falling down, he removed all the dirt from his body and he's not accepting his failure here. He's not accepting the failure here. He's trying to come up with the other plan, the plan B. Now, once he trying to, with the help of the ladder, he wants to bring down. He fell down under, he failed. But he is not willing to accept his failure and he is coming up with the other plan to bring out this cat down. So, we will try other plan. Stand out of the way. Stand out of the way. Suppose when somebody gives some advice to us, we tell them, you go, you look into your own way, you need not tell me the advice. We say them, you need not suggest me, I know what I am going to do. So same way here he was telling, you stand out of the way, you go from away, far away from me, I know how to bring it down. Mom said, don't fall again. Okay, again the mother, the wife is requesting him, don't fall again. Fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. And now what happened? You are telling me that I am going to fall down. No. Funny joke. The joke what you said, it is an interesting joke. Funny joke means an interesting joke. When she advised him, don't fall again, he is making fun of him. Your joke is really interesting for me. Then he swung himself up on a branch, it broke. Then what he did, he climbed again that ladder and he jumped into the tree. He climbed, from the ladder, he jumped into the tree. And now what happened that swung means jumped. He jumped on the tree. Now, on a branch, it broke. So, what happened? He jumped on the branch. Now, the branch is so thin and it was broken. So, now what happened? Let us see. Dad landed Wallop back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. Now, what happened to her? Dad landed Wallop. Again, he fell to the ground. Now since the branch was broken, again he has fallen down. Wallop means he went and hit something very hard. Wallop means to hit something. To hit something hard. You know, when the branches are breaking and when we fall down, sometimes what happened, we may go and hit somewhere. So same thing what happened to him, he went and hit somewhere, he came fall down and he hit somewhere very hard. Back on the deck means again he came back to the floor, down he came back. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. Now my mother said, now again you don't do it because if you climb again, you may break your neck. Rubbish, said Dad. Now we will try plan C, easy as winging to a climber like me. When she said like that again, he is calling her rubbish. What rubbish you are talking? Sometimes when the people say something we don't like, immediately we say the rubbish thing here means suppose some birds or something when they speak, or what we don't like, suppose for something they are trying to do something, we come and discourage them. So immediately we get angry at them, don't talk to me, all the rubbish, get out from here, we say them. So this lady is trying to convince his husband, don't fall, like a climb again. If you fall, something may take place for you. But he is getting angry with his wife and he is telling, what rubbish you are attacking to me. Now I am going to try other plan. What is that other plan? He is telling, easy as winging to a climber like me. For me it is very easy. Winging means when we close our eyes and within a second, when we just close and open our eyes, no? So like that for me it is a easy job for me, he is telling. It is a raising our eyes and closing our eyes, just like that, no? So like that for me, how we close and open our eyes, same way it is a easy job for me. And I am to a climber like me. You know who I am? I am a good climber. To me you are telling that. So again here he failed, but here also he doesn't want to accept his failure. He is coming with the other plan. Let us see what is his next plan. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. Now what happened? He climbed on the garden wall. From there, he just, what he did? He jumped into the tree. He climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. Now what happened? Nothing happened to him. He didn't fall down. Guess means what? You imagine yourself what will happen to him. So climbed on the garden wall. From there he want to climb into the tree. Now nothing happened for him. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. Now what happened? He from there, from the wall, he jumped to jump. Leap means leap, to jump high. Now from the wall he jumped high to the tree where the trees are there. He jumped there and he landed flat. Means landed means not flat, means not he came down, just correctly he went and sat on the branches of the tree. He went and sat on the tree flat in the crook of the tree trunk, where the crook means here the bend of the tree. The crook means the bending of the branches. There he went and sat on the tree branches right on the cat. Where the cat is stuck up there, in front of the cat, he went and sat on the tree trunk. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. Now what happened? The cat, when he saw this man climbed on the tree and jumped and sat in front of him, it got to frighten and it made a sound. Yell means making crying. It cried, made a sound, and what it did? It jumped to the ground. It got frightened, and already the frightened only it is remaining there, and this man went and sat in front of him, and it got frightened and it jumped, it made such a loud noise and it sprang to the ground, jumped into the ground. Please ask Punch to be safe and sound. Means, please means when somebody does something, be pleased with them, be happy with that one. So the cat is now so happy, but what happened to that one? Nothing happened to the cat. Without any broken leg or nothing happened, no hurt for him. Safely it has fallen down. It got frightened and it jumped to the ground and nothing happened. It was now safe and sound. Next, so it is smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad still stuck up the tree. Now what happened? The cat came down like a smiling. Though it was got frightened and it came down, now it is smiling. Why? Because nothing happened to the cat. And smirking means unpleasant or artificial laugh, smiling. Now that one he stuck up there and he does not know what to do. And he also, though sometimes what happens when somebody cracks jokes, we will not be able to laugh at them. Just artificially we smile at them. Not only that, for example, suppose somebody we don't like, when they come in front of them, just to be, when they laugh at us, we to laugh, but out of heart we don't laugh at them. Just for the name's sake, just artificially we laugh at them. So now, dad what happened? This third plan also dad failed for him. So he stuck up there now, and what is happening? He is laughing as a unpleasant, means not happily. He artificially way he is laughing. Now what happened? The third plan also failed. Now finally the cat came down. The man got stuck up there. So he has tried for the three plans. All the three plans has failed. What he failed? Two plans. First plan he has fallen down. Second plan also, the branch broke and fallen down. Third branch, he stuck up there, but whereas the cat came down. So, here one way we can appreciate to him that though he does not know how to climb, but he is taking a risk. He is taking a risk and he is trying to do something. That we can appreciate him. Other way, when we does not do something, we have to accept the truth. Why to take? Sometimes the risk may damage, the risk may give us a dangerous in our life. So here this man, he does not know how to climb the tree, but there he is not accepting his weakness, that his failures, but again he was trying to plan. Finally he failed in his plan. But one way, trying, when we don't know something, for example, by doing something only we learn the things. So same way he has tried, but finally he got stuck up. The cat came down. So this is the way the cat has saved from the poem. So dear students, please read the poem. You will understand more and more. So have a great day. Thank you.